Imagine this, you are on top of your game, your mind is sharp, your energy is boundless, your heart is beating strong. What if I told you that this is not just a fantasy? It's a reality within your reach. And the key to unlocking it might be hiding in your pantry. We're talking about omega-3s, the silent superheroes of your diet. But here's the kicker, most of us are dangerously deficient. And that deficiency could be stealing your focus, your vitality, and even your future health. Don't worry. The good news is, reversing this is easier than you think. Today, we are going to uncover the top natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids, and by the end of this video, you will have the power to take back control of your health. Stay with me, because the last one might just surprise you. And no, it's not what you think. Let's dive in. First up, the undisputed king of omega-3s, fatty fish. I know you've heard this before, but let's get real for a second. We are not talking about just any fish. We are talking about powerhouses like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are packed with EPA and DHA, the two most potent forms of omega-3s. Think of it like this, your brain is a supercomputer, and EPA and DHA are the premium fuel it needs to run at its highest capacity. Without it, you are running on fumes. So, if you have been feeling a little foggy lately, a little off, it might be your brain crying out for a nutrient it's not getting. And here's a quick thought. How many times have you been to the grocery store and just walked right past the fish section without a second thought? It's time to change that. But hey, what if you were not a fan of seafood? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In fact, our next source is so versatile you can sneak it into almost any meal. Alright, let's talk about the tiny titan of nutrition, chia seeds. These little guys are incredible. Just 2 tablespoons can give you a massive dose of omega-3s. And the best part, you can barely taste them. Sprinkle them in your yogurt, blend them into your smoothie, or even make a healthy chia pudding for breakfast. It's like giving your body a secret upgrade without even trying. This is especially good news if the thought of eating a whole fish makes you want to run for the hills. But here's a quick question for you. Have you ever noticed how little things can make the biggest difference? Like a single seed? It's a profound thought, is not it? Because the next item on our list is a testament to that. It's often overlooked, but it's one of nature's most perfect gifts, and it's probably already in your fridge. Moving on to another seed superstar, flax seeds. Like chia seeds, they are loaded with ALA, which your body can convert into the more usable forms of omega-3s. But here's a crucial tip. You have to grind them up. Whole flax seeds can pass through your system without being properly absorbed, so you would essentially be flushing your valuable omega-3s down the drain. What a waste. But when ground, they become a nutty powerhouse addition to oatmeal, baked goods, or even a simple shake. This is about being smart with your nutrition, not just eating the right things, but eating them the right way. And speaking of being smart, our next source is all about making a choice. A powerful choice that can transform your entire well-being. And no, it's not a supplement, yet. Let's pause for a moment and appreciate the humble walnut. Shaped like a tiny brain, it's a beautiful reminder of the incredible connection between what we eat and how we think. Walnuts are a fantastic source of omega-3s, and they are so easy to incorporate into your life. Grab a handful for a snack, toss them on your salad, or sprinkle them on your cereal. They add a satisfying crunch and a dose of brain-boosting nutrition. It's a simple act of self-care. But here's the thing, while these foods are amazing, what happens when you are on the go? What about those days when you are too busy to prep a salad or a smoothie? What's a quick, effortless way to get your daily dose? Well, that brings us to a source that many people turn to for convenience, but few understand its true power. This one is a real game changer, especially for our vegetarian and vegan friends. I want to talk about algae oil. This is where fish get their omega-3s from in the first place. Fish don't produce EPA and DHA on their own. They get it from the marine algae they eat. So, by going straight to the source, you can get a powerful, pure dose of these essential fatty acids without any of the concerns associated with fish, like mercury or heavy metals. Is like skipping the middleman entirely. This is the future of sustainable, powerful nutrition. It's about taking control of your health in a way that aligns with your values. And remember how I said the last one would surprise you? Well, here it is. Okay, get ready for this. Our final omega-3 powerhouse is something you might have only seen as a sushi wrap. We are talking about seaweed and nori. Yes, the thin green sheets used for sushi rolls and snacks. Seaweed is an incredible source of ALA and in some cases, even small amounts of EPA, making it a powerful plant-based option. Think about it. A simple seaweed snack can give you a boost of a nutrient that protects your heart, sharpens your mind, and keeps your body feeling young. It's a reminder that the most potent health benefits can often be found in the most unexpected places. So the next time you're feeling sluggish, or your brain feels a little slow, just reach for a handful of nori. It's that simple. And it's that powerful. But now that you know what to eat, what's the one thing you absolutely must do to make sure you are getting enough? And there you have it. The top natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Now you have the knowledge to protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and live with more energy than you ever thought possible. But this is just the beginning of your health journey. If you are ready to unlock more secrets to a vibrant life, I have got you covered. Check out our videos on nutrition and wellness to keep the momentum going. Your future self will thank you for it. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and live well. If you want more valuable videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.